CPU instruction set. Every CPU has built-in ability to execute a set of machine instructions called its instruction set. So every CPU has instruction set. Most CPUs have 200 or more instructions, such as add, subtract, or a compare in their instruction set. So most of the that means popular CPUs have 200 instructions in their instruction set. Since each processor has a unique instruction set, machine language programs written for one computer will be generally not run on another computer with a different CPU. Different CPU models of the same manufacturers may have different instruction set. However, manufacturers tend to group their CPUs into families having similar instruction set. So there are CPU families which have similar instruction set. When they develop a new CPU, they ensure that its instruction set includes all instructions in the instruction set of predecessor CPU plus some new ones. So every new model of CPU has additional instructions than its previous model. This manufacturing strategy is also known as backward compatibility, and new CPU is said to be backward compatible with its predecessor. So a new processor has new set of instructions along with the old instructions. In turn, it allows user of these computer systems to upgrade their systems easily without worrying about converting all their existing software. Now CPU registers. As computer's CPU interrupts and executes instruction, there is a moment of instruction between various units of a computer. To handle this process satisfactorily and to speed up rate of information transfer, the CPU uses a number of special memory units called registers. These registers hold information on a temporary basis and are part of CPU, not main memory. Length of a register is equal to number of bits it can store. Hence we refer to a register that can store 8 bits or an 8-bit register. Most CPUs sold today have 32-bit or 64-bit registers. The length of registers of a computer is sometimes called as word size. Bigger the word size, the faster the computer can process a set of data. With all other parameters being same, a CPU with 32-bit registers can process data twice as large as one with 16-bit registers. Each of these registers possesses the ability to receive information, hold it temporarily, and pass it on as directed by control unit.